Well, if you've watched our videos before, you've heard me mention that we do take trade-ins, and that's what we have here. That's why we have a later model vehicle at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 2016 Infiiniti Q50 Red Sport 3.0T 400 all-wheel drive. How's that for a title? Right off the window sticker. This is a clean Carfax vehicle, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles at just a little over 41,000 miles is all. Let's take a look at this front fascia, the grille, underneath the hood, 3.0 liter, all-wheel drive. Of course, all your modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC, and I'll get into much more in here in just a bit. First, you're going to notice 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price on this vehicle, and that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Take a close look at the wheels on this vehicle and those big rotors behind them. Nice looking sports sedan, luxury vehicle. Now, a couple packages that have been added to this car when it was ordered, above and beyond all of the standard equipment that you would get on it. It does have the driver's assistance package, and it also has the Premier package, and I'll get into those two things in just a bit. As you can see, the liquid platinum paint looks nice up and down the passenger side, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. I'll show you a couple of spots I noticed over on the driver's side. Power sunroof, and you also notice that the side glass is tinted, as well as the rear window, so know your local and state laws with the percentage of window tint that you can have, the darkness that you're able to have. Now, as far as these packages, I want to get into this driver's assistance package just a little bit since we're around to the rear, and you can see these sensors on the rear bumper, little round deals. The driver's assistance package does have the backup collision intervention with cross traffic alert. It also has rain sensing wipers, blind spot warnings, the predictive front collision warning, also has the front and rear parking assist and a round view. So I'll see if I can get a picture of the window sticker and get it on with the still pictures so you can see exactly how this car is equipped. Now, you heard me mention earlier, we do take trade-ins, obviously. Financing is available, and we can also assist with transportation. Here's where I noticed there's a couple little spots that have been touched up by a previous owner, right there and there. Just a couple little touch-up spots, nothing major. You can tell this car is well cared for. Interior also in nice shape. Let's take a quick peek in there. Show you the rear seats to begin with. Of course, a roomy sedan considering the size of the car. Doesn't appear that the rear seats have hardly even been sat in. So the rear seat interior, very nice shape. All right, now the premium package. I want to get into that just a little bit. And again, these things are above and beyond all the standard features. Premium package does have the Infinity Touch navigation with voice recognition. Also has the remote start, Sirius XM radio, heated seats and steering wheel, and a couple other things that were added to this car that are above and beyond the standard equipment is the spoiler, and it does have the illuminated kick plates. This car was practically $60,000 brand new back in 2016. Of course, here's your modern amenities: power windows, power locks, mirrors, memory seating. Look like we do have a little aftermarket floor mat that was added to it. Take a look at the seats, and again, very little wear showing on those seats. I guess what you'd expect, a car with a clean Carfax, exact miles, 41,250. I will have to grab the key sitting on the counter, not close enough to let me start it. So let me grab the key. we'll fire this up, and I'll be right back. We're back with the key in the cup holder. Makes it a lot easier to start it. All right, of course you noticed all the steering wheel controls. Take a look at the dash. Again, 41,250 original miles, no warning indicators, anything like that. I mentioned navigation, the touch screens. Take a look at your center console. Very nice condition on the interior also. All right. Let you hear it run. On these, compared to what we usually deal with, pretty quiet cars, not a lot to hear. And of course, very quiet interior going down the road, as well as incredible ride. And this one's got some zip, a little get up and go to it. Let me pause this real second. I guess while we're at it, real quick, I'll show you that engine bay. At least take a peek underneath the hood. Underside of the hood, very clean and tidy. Doesn't look like it's been driven in much for inclement weather at all. There it is. Twin turbo, 3.0 liter. That explains the get up and go. And remember, all-wheel drive. I know you could get these with a smaller engine, just rear-wheel drive, so all-wheel drive, V6, and sounds as it should. Stick around at the end here, you're going to get an idea what it's like to take a little ride in this car with the driving video. 2016 Infiiniti Q50 Red Sport 3.0T 400 all-wheel drive sedan. Clean Carfax, just a little over 41,000 miles. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. Remember that driver's assistance package and the premium package. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2016 Infiiniti Q50. This is an automatic on the center console. We also have paddle shifting capability. Very good acceleration in this car. If you see any flickering on the dash lights, that is our camera's frame rate and not the car itself. Comfortable bucket seats in this car. Very smooth ride. The odometer showing 41,248 miles currently. Air conditioning blowing cold. I do have a moonroof. Nice ride in this car. All the modern features. Brakes very well. Of course, easy to steer. Cornering is good. Doesn't lean much at all in the corners. We're looking for a low mile Infiiniti Q50. Don't look any farther. Check this one out at uniqueclassiccars.com.